In today's video, I'll show you how to add Google Fonts to your WordPress theme. Using custom fonts is an easy way to improve readability and give your website a more polished and unique look. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, open Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type a Google Fonts plugin such as Fonts plugin or OMGF for faster and privacy-friendly Google Fonts. When you find a plugin that fits your needs, click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click Activate to enable it on your site. Once the plugin is active, it's time to customize your fonts. Go to the Appearance section in your dashboard and click Customize. This will open the WordPress customizer where you can preview changes in real time. Inside the customizer, you should now see a new section related to fonts or typography. Open that section and browse through the available Google fonts. You can choose different fonts for headings, body text, and other elements of your site. Take a moment to test a few options and focus on fonts that look good while staying easy to read. When you're happy with your font choices, click the Publish button to save your changes and make them live on your website. That's it. You've successfully added Google Fonts to your WordPress theme and given your site a fresh, professional look. Thanks for watching and feel free to revisit the customizer anytime to adjust your typography.